If you're looking into Kajabi, you might be wondering which plan is right for you. In this video, I'm gonna help you decide between Basic, Growth, and Pro. We're gonna go through all the features that you get with each plan, what they all mean, and how the price difference compares. And by the end of this video, you're gonna know which plan is right for you. This is video number 5 of my video series called Crush It on Kajabi in 90 days. I'm doing 90 straight days of videos all about Kajabi and your online business to help you get the best start on this platform. So whether you are interested in joining Kajabi or you're on Kajabi, or you're just an online business owner and you want to explore different possibilities and ways of doing online business, this video series is for you. If you're thinking about joining Kajabi, be sure to use my link, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. With that, you get 2 pretty amazing perks. The first one is you get a free 45-minute Zoom call with yours truly. We'll sit down and go through how to get set up on the platform, how to get the best start, what to do first, second, and third, how to navigate around the dashboard, and then how to get going right away making money online using Kajabi. That's a gift that you get for using my link. And then the second thing is you get my free $25,000 course launch email template. These are the exact emails and email strategy that I used to launch my first course on Kajabi, which made over $25,000 in the first 3 launches. So I'm gonna put that in your hands for free, as well as our Zoom call, which is a way of saying thank you for using my link because it is an affiliate link. So I do get a small commission when you use it. So I appreciate it very much. All right, so let's dive into the plan. So when you go to Kajabi, you're gonna see these 3 plans right here. Basic for $119 a month if it's billed annually. Growth for $159 a month if it's billed annually. And then Pro for $319 a month if you bill it annually. Now, I say that because you do get a 20% discount when you bill it annually. Otherwise, it's $149, $199, and $399. Now, I want to mention a lot of people, when they get on Kajabi, if you don't know what you're getting with Kajabi when you jump on here, you might be a little bit intimidated by the pricing. I've talked about this extensively in my videos on Kajabi. I've got a lot of videos about this, including this one right here that you can check out if you're interested in kind of looking into price. But I will say that when you combine everything that you get into one platform, $199 a month for the growth plan, for example, is an absolute steal because you're getting your email list, you're getting your website, you're getting your landing pages, you're getting your sales funnel, that whole process, you're getting your checkout pages. And they're adding features all the time, but the price stays the same. So when you add all that up, it's going to actually cost you way more than $200 a month to put all that together in a bunch of different platforms. So with Kajabi, you just get it all in one place, and the price looks high if you don't know or haven't paid attention to what you might already be spending on all these other pieces of software that you can now eliminate and just have Kajabi. So that's one way to think of it. And then the other thing is the value for what you get just far exceeds what you pay. In my opinion, everything works so smoothly and just the way it's supposed to be. You have such a less headache as a business owner than trying to make a bunch of different pieces of software fit. I think the price is inconsequential, and I think that they could charge a lot more and get away with it, but they don't, and that's one of the reasons why I love Kajabi. So that's my 2 cents on the price, but let's jump into these 3 plans. And I definitely recommend doing an annual. That's how I pay. I think anytime you can pay annual, you save a little bit of money and you only have 1 bill per year. Basic is where we're going to start. So you get 3 products with Basic, you get 15 with Growth, and you get 100 with Pro. Now, I do want to mention that Pro is not going to be necessary for 99.9% of people who are first jumping onto Kajabi. Unless you already have a pretty sizable online business and you've got to import a lot of stuff over from your other pieces of software that you use, like you have a bunch of courses and a massive email list and all that, you probably aren't going to need Pro. Basic is lacking some features that a lot of people are going to want, and I'll get into what those are in just a second. So I find that Growth is pretty standard and helpful for most people. Growth is what I'm on. Growth is what a lot of people jump on right away. But if you're just jumping on and you want to try out Kajabi and kind of get your feet wet, then Basic is a really great choice. There's nothing wrong with Basic. It's going to serve you well, and you can always upgrade to Growth if you decide to. It's super easy to do that. So growth is going to serve the needs of most people. But let's talk about what products are. Online courses, membership sites, a mini course, a flagship course. But Kajabi has also launched new lines of products, including podcasts. So you can now host your podcast completely on Kajabi. So this takes the place now of something like Buzzsprout, which is what I use, or Libsyn, or one of those services that you can use. You can now do all of that within Kajabi itself. So on Kajabi, it's just treated like a product, but it's no additional charge. So if you are currently hosting a podcast over at Libsyn or at Buzzsprout, you know that it's not free. Like, you have to pay for that. And that's now one of the things that you can host within Kajabi. So if you have a 3-product plan, one of those products could be your podcast, and the other 2 could be an online course and maybe a membership site. That's one way you could do it. Or if you have 15 products, then you have a lot more space to kind of play around with it. For me, I have 2 online courses, a membership site. I'm going to add a coaching program because now they also offer coaching. They just rolled this out. And by the way, later in this series, I'm going to do pretty extensive videos on both the coaching and the podcasting. I'm actually going to start a podcast with you right here and share my screen with you and walk you through that entire process. And so you'll be able to see that. But coaching is something that I've already offered, but I had to kind of piece it together. But now they offer an entire coaching program hosted within Kajabi, and it's awesome from what I hear, and I'll be demoing that for you as well. So products include things like memberships. You also can do a newsletter now, which is really cool. There's like a totally new way to do a newsletter, whether it's free or paid to your people. So podcasts, online courses, memberships, coaching, newsletters, and then so these are kind of the products that they're talking about. Let's talk about pipelines. So pipelines are like the sales funnels that are taking people from opting into your list through a process to being presented with an offer, to buying a product. So with the growth plan, you can do 15 pipelines, 3 over here on basic or 100 on pro. Now, I want to mention that pipelines can also be manually put together, and there's no limit on those. I sometimes use their pre-done pipelines, and I've demoed those before on this channel. You can just search for Kajabi pipelines here on this channel and you'll find those, and I'll do more of those where they populate everything for you and it's super simple. And I've also built them manually. If you build them manually, there's no limit. When I say manually, I mean I build a landing page, I set up the emails, I build the checkout pages all myself, which is super easy to do. A pipeline just kind of puts those things together for you ahead of time and then you fill it in. Either way, you get 15 of those. Unlimited landing pages, this is like your website. How many pages can be on it? It's unlimited. Unlimited marketing emails, that's across the board. So this means that basically you can send as many emails as you want to your list. You can have 25,000 contacts and 10,000 active members on the growth plan. So your list basically can be up to 25,000 people. Over here on Pro, it can be up to 100. So if you're between 10,000 and 25,000 people on your list, you're going to need to be on growth. If you're more than 25,000, you're going to need to be on Pro. One website. The website is basically the entire back end of Kajabi. That's what they kind of call the website, but the website also includes the publicly facing website. So I have lanesebring.com and preachingdonkey.com, both running through my Kajabi. So I actually have 2 websites, but I still have the growth plan. And then 10 admin users, up to 10. So I've got myself, I've got my virtual assistant, and I've got my wife who also works with me in this business. They're all admins as well as me on the site. And so that's the way that works. If it's only you and you can get by with 1, then basic will work for you. With this top line list of offerings, you could do basic if this is all you need, and obviously growth if you need to bump up to that. And like I said, very few people are going to need pro, but it's something to aspire to that we can all grow there later. This is what you get in terms of kind of the features with it. So Kajabi University, everybody gets that. This is one of the things I love about Kajabi. It's available to you at any time where you can get help with anything. So there's live chat support, which is awesome, but there's also the Kajabi University, which you can just kind of, it's like courses and training and tutorials to learn how to do anything on Kajabi, which is awesome. 0% transaction fees. This is one of the reasons why you need to take this into consideration with price. Kajabi never takes a cut of your online course sales, your membership site sales, any of that. If you go to a place like Teachable, for example, with a few of their plans, they're going to take a cut. With Kajabi, they never do. Webinars and events across the board, ready-to-use templates across the board, assessments, like quizzes and surveys, that's across the board. One customer success activation call, you get that across the board. With my link, you get one from me personally as well. 24/7 chat support on the Growth and Pro plans, and then just chat support on Basic. So on Basic, you might have to wait until the next business day in order to get support back, but even so, they're pretty responsive. Advanced automations, both on Growth and Pro, just plain old automations on Basic. Automations are really important to the experience on Kajabi. So if you are wanting to especially build something that is an automated sales funnel system where people are always opting into your list and always being taken through a funnel and always being offered your courses, then you might really want to consider Growth, because you have a lot more freedom to set up what you want on the Growth plan with advanced automations. And then on the Growth plan and above, you can remove Kajabi branding. So like at the bottom, it doesn't say powered by Kajabi. You can remove that. And then, of course, you can be a part of the affiliate program where you can offer for people to help you sell your courses as an affiliate. You can edit code on the Pro plan and only on the Pro plan, which I don't care. I don't need to edit code. Don't know how anyway. And then let's talk about this. This is access. You can add access to any of your plans. So whether it's Basic or Growth or Pro, your success deserves priority. Kajabi Access offers brand new resources, services, and one-on-one guidance to help you maximize our platform for your success. Only $99 a month with any new or existing Kajabi plan. So if you get Kajabi with Access, this is what the plans look like with the annual discount. So the Growth goes to $258, Pro goes to $418, and Basic goes to $218. So Access might be something that you want to look into. I know a lot of people have been really happy with what they get with Access. So you get one-on-one success sessions with Kajabi Access. You get 6 one-on-one sessions with Kajabi Customer Success Manager. They're there to help you optimize the platform to the fullest and give you guidance based on your unique business. So if you want a little bit more hand-holding in addition to the call that you get with me and my $25,000 course launch email template and the videos that I'm doing on this channel, if you want one-on-one coaching from them, then Access might be for you. Immediately double your offerings, unlock the ability to do more on Kajabi without moving to the next plan tier before you're ready. Kajabi Access members means you can create double the products, double the pipelines, and double everything else. So you get a little bit more freedom and leeway without having to jump all the way to Pro, which is pretty cool. And then you can edit code, and you get early access to new releases. So I just mentioned that they released podcasts and coaching. If you're Access, you get those in beta. And again, that's all for $99 a month. So I've heard really good things about Access. I'm thinking about jumping on there myself. Haven't yet, but that might be something that you want to do. So basically, those are the plans. My recommendation to most people, and this is what I see most people doing and where most people get the most success, is to go ahead and jump on Growth. If you think that you're going to need more than 3 products, if you think you're going to need more admins, whatever, go ahead and jump on Growth. Otherwise, Basic is great for most people. I would stay away from Pro unless you just absolutely need it, because the price jump is significant, and if you don't need it, then why do it? So there you have it. There's lots of great plans to choose from on Kajabi. At this point, go ahead and use my link to sign up. Be sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any videos in this 90-day series, and go to the comments and leave me a question that you have about Kajabi, and I'll be sure to do my best to answer those questions in upcoming videos in this series. So at this point, you can continue watching the next video in the series, or you can check out this video right here where we'll go into more depth about Kajabi pricing if you're interested in seeing more about that. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.